Manifestation tip number 149. Self-doubt, worry, and fear are merely distractions. Simply remove your attention from them and place it back onto your goal. Concentration is vital for success. What you put your attention on grows. And if you place your attention on fear, worry, and doubt, then that is what will grow and fester and formulate, and that is what will manifest experiences to continue to doubt yourself, experiences to continue to worry about something, experiences to continue to be afraid of something. But these are merely distractions. Anyone who has practiced concentration knows and understands what their attention is, understands what a distraction is, and understands the mechanics of how to remove their attention, pull their attention from a distraction and place it on what they're wanting to focus upon, because energy flows where the attention goes. So if you place your attention on your goals, then your goals are what is going to be fueled with energy. What you put your attention on grows. The more you hold your attention on something and the more it is fueling and funneled with that energy, the more that it will grow. It will continue to build and strengthen and become so dense within your mind. When you put your attention on your goals, that thought form will be so dense within your mind, it will have no other option but to fall from the higher levels of the mind down into the physical and manifest into your physical reality, changing and altering what you end up experiencing. So like I always say, if you want to see it outside of yourself, you first have to see it within yourself. If you want to make the changes into your outer experiences happen, you first have to make the changes within. Go within or go without.